Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you for clicking on this video. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button. I would truly appreciate you here at the MissRessaT family. Shout out to all my old loves. I appreciate y'all coming back and always rocking with a chick. I appreciate it so much. Make sure you share my videos and follow me on social media network. Okay, so you guys, I am here today with a shoe haul. I haven't had I don't think I did a shoe haul like forever ago, but I was actually so grateful that I was hit up by this company. I'm gonna put the name on the screen because I refuse to butcher this company's name, because I'm very happy with the shoes and I don't want to do them like that. So their name will be on the screen, and also if you check the description box, you will see the links to their website to be able to order the shoes. So this company reached out to me offering some wide width shoes. I do have wide behind feet. Okay, my feet are so wide I actually normally go up a size or a half a size when I get shoes, just to accommodate my feet, because shoes are so narrow these days, and like wide is not really wide. But I must say I'm very impressed with this company. The shoes are actually, they said they're 12% wider than normal shoes, and they're a half a size longer than normal shoes. I truly believe them, and I wish I knew that information before I ordered my shoes, because all the shoes that I got, I'm showing you guys today, are in the size 9.5. And like I said, I always go up. My regular shoe size is a 9, but I normally go up in like sandals and stuff like that, because it just fits better when I go up a half a size. I did not have to do that in these shoes, and I'm kind of like sad because a few of them are too big. But let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so caution, if the shoes look worn, that is because they are worn. Okay, so I'm not gonna pop up in here just because I got these shoes for free. I'm gonna show them to you guys. Number one, I'm not getting paid for this video. Number two, I'm just not gonna just give you stuff that I don't personally like. I enjoyed these shoes very much. They were very comfortable. I'm gonna try not to show y'all the bottom of them because I have worn them, and I tested all of them out. So yeah, just want to let y'all know that I did wear the shoes. So somewhere on the screen, I'm going to put a close-up of the shoes so you guys can see them before I got them all dirty with my feet. And also you can see how I styled them with outfits here. So yeah, these shoes right here, the first ones, these are super cute. Like, this is so cute. I don't have any shoes this color, this beige color. And then it has the gold. It's kind of like, it's almost rose gold, the braided pattern here. And this is memory foam, you guys. I didn't know that. When I put on, these are the first shoes that I tried on, and I wore these to the Chris Brown concert, and honey, I just was not, I did not know. I put my foot in these shoes and I was like, ooh, you can ask my best friend. I was like, ooh, like I didn't expect them to be so comfortable, because I'm not gonna lie, like I buy a lot of like my flats and stuff from the beauty supply stores, you know, little Chinese stores, and they don't have not a bit of support. Like, you wear them one time and you throw them away. That is not the case with these. These are memory foam here inside these shoes, and the bottom are, oh, the bottom is rough, y'all. I'm trying not to show y'all, but the bottom is a rubber sole. It has the groove, so it does not, you do not slip and slide. You guys, I wore these to an outside concert, and we had to take damn near a hike to get to where the concert was, over rocks and everything. And when I say these shoes are not bend up or anything like that, like they were so freaking comfortable, all of them. I'm still shocked by that, by how comfortable it was. But I thought they were so cute, and I thought my outfit was cute. I thought I was cute, y'all. So yeah, that's those. Another pair that I got are these white ones here. I've never had a pair of white sandals. So all of these do come in other colors. All the shoes that I'm going to show you today, they come in other colors. These are just what I decided to get because I didn't have any. So I never had any white sandals. So I was like, oh, these are cute. And I do plan on going back and get the black ones, because these were so freaking adorable on the feet. I love the thick scrap. I thought it was so nice. Just like the other pair here. Sorry, these are a little dirty, you guys. Like I said, I've worn the shoes. Like, I'm not gonna bring you something that I have not used, and I used these for like a month. Okay, so once again, the memory foam on the inside, good solid sole on the bottom. Like, these are not going anywhere. The width of them, they look great. They were very comfortable. Nothing but good things to say about those. Now, I got some flats here. don't ask me what color this is, beige maybe. These are also in a 9.5. These right here, like I said, everything was a 9.5, but these were really big. You can actually kind of see them flap a little bit. So I'm sad about that. But what I'm going to do is actually put some, I'm going to do it old-fashioned style and put some tissue in it, because these are too freaking cute. Y'all, I love ballerina flats. Like, it's all I wear. When I actually wear dressed up shoes, I love ballerina flats. And this, I've never had a suede color, this camel color right here, and I thought it was so freaking cute. And same memory foam on the inside, absolutely comfortable, you guys. I have plantar fasciitis. If you follow me on my MissRessaTTV, my vlog channel, I'm always pushing it. Go check me out on my vlog channel, you guys. But I have foot issues, okay, and the soles of these shoes are like heaven, like for real, for real. It really is really nice, very sharp. Now my last pair of shoes, you guys, these, where are they? I got these because I just wanted to, like, I wanted to show y'all some heels, because at the same time I'm getting these shoes for me, but I also knew I wanted to bring them to my followers, you know, if I thought they were going to be good. So I wanted to give you some options that you might pick, because I know a lot of my big girls and my wide width, how should I say that, wide width females do wear heels. You know, it's not my thing. The most I'll do is the wedge, but I haven't been doing wedge lately. But I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get a pair of heels just so I can have a variety, so I can be able to give you guys a good review, and you can have some different things to try if this is your type of thing. And it also shows you the diversity of the company. They show you the different type of shoes they got, because there's a lot more styles that I did not try, you guys. So yeah, these are the heels that I got. As you can see, they were very cute, and they held a sister up. Shout out to these chunky heels. They did hold a sister up. Very cute shoe. Very, very cute shoe. Very comfortable shoe. It has the memory foam here on the inside. I'm trying not to show y'all the inside like that, because like I said, I wore the shoe. But it does have the memory foam on the heel part, so that's very comfortable. The front of the shoe is wide, the wide width, so it's not killing your pinky toe. You know how your pinky toe be in there screaming for help? Jesus help me. This is not the case with these shoes. My only thing with these is, once again, too big. But that's not even a negative, like, I feel like on their part. I wish I knew about and it may be written, you guys, it may be written on the website, and that may just be on my part that I did not notice that. But there's shoe sizes, so if you go to order with them, which I think you should, because their prices are very good. I forgot to mention that. Y'all know me, y'all know I keep everything, I try to stay within a reasonable budget on things. And like I said, I will be purchasing a couple more shoes myself for my cruise in December from this company, because I'm that happy with it. And the prices were very reasonable. Like, I expected something of this quality and the way they feel, and the fact they're wide width, to run like $25 plus up dollars for even the flats. Not the case, you guys. So I highly recommend them. Like I said, I wish I might try to get these in the smaller size, because these were too cute, and I had a lot of space in the back. And unlike them, I could put tissue in these, but I can't do that. Well, I guess I could. I don't know, you guys. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I try not to make it too long, but I'm so long-winded. But definitely check out this company. Like I said, all the information will be in the description box. Let me know which shoes you like the best, what style, and if you like, what outfit you like the best also. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed, give this video a good old thumbs up. Share it so other people can know about these shoes. If you know somebody who needs some wide width shoes in their life, definitely make sure you share this video with them so they can be aware of it. Follow me on all my social media networks, and that's it, you guys. This has been your girl, MissRessaT. Don't forget to live, learn, record, and then share. Smooches.